Hello everyone, and let's discuss how to connect to the environment of HackTheBox. I would choose the normal PWN machine and definitely recommend using SSH connection. SSH has less latency than the virtual machine itself, so let's try that. Choose PwnBox. The fastest location available by me is United Kingdom, then VPN access and VPN server. Press start the box. And here we are. The connection is ready right now. We have few options. First is open on the desktop, which we can try, but it's not my favorite choice because the terminal there has lots of latencies. So I would prefer using SSH terminal. I press there and then press open terminal app. Then you have to agree that you can use the terminal. Here you have a terminal open. You have to agree to give your fingerprint, type yes, and then you have to give your password. The password is every time different, so go back to the HackTheBox and copy the password from there. Ta-da! You're on your virtual machine terminal right now, which you can use from your own device. I hope this video was useful to you.